At least 90% of my pre-intermediate to intermediate English language students used to make these common mistakes with uncountable nouns. In this video, I'll show you 12 common English words that you should never add s to, even if they feel plural. In English, some words are uncountable. They act like a mess of something, not an individual item. Now, pause this video and think about uncountable nouns in English language that you know. Think of words like water, sugar, or advice. You can have some, but not many advices. Weird, right? My name is Anna, and I help English learners get from basic speakers to confident communicators. The first one is advice. Common mistake, she gave me some advices. The correct one is she gave me some advice. Advice is an uncountable noun and you should never add s to it. Alternatively, you can say she gave me a tip or she gave me some helpful suggestions. Those two are countable, and feel free to add s to both tips and suggestions. Information. Common mistake is I got many informations. You should say I got a lot of information. Information in English language is an uncountable noun, so you shouldn't add s to it. Alternatively, you could say I got a fact, a detail, or a data point. I received many facts or I received many details. Feel free to add s to facts or details. Furniture. Don't say we bought new furnitures. Say we bought some new furniture, or simply we bought new furniture. Although furniture refers to a mass of something, like maybe you bought a chair, an armchair, a table, and a sofa, but the word furniture is uncountable. It refers to Do you know that research proves that the learners who get personalized one-on-one coaching improve 2 times faster than those using generic and conventional methods like group classes or pre-recorded online courses or some grammar apps. And these learners that actually outperform 98% of their peers. This September, I'm launching a 12-month one-on-one English fluency for career success coaching program. And because I provide only personalized one-on-one real-time attention, I can only take on 12 clients per year, and we're working towards their English fluency. If you're ready to be in that 2% who actually break through to fluency, join the waiting list below and I'll send you all the details as soon as they are ready. I hope to work with you soon. Mass of items. Alternatively, you could say we bought a table, we bought 2 chairs. These are countable nouns. Luggage. Don't say their luggages are heavy. Say their luggage is heavy. Luggage is an uncountable noun. Can you think of any alternatives, any countable alternatives? Pause the video and think about which alternatives can you use to replace this uncountable noun. You could say they have 3 suitcases and a few bags. These are countable nouns, so feel free to add s to them. Equipment, a mess of something. Don't say the gym has good equipment. Say the gym has good. Some countable alternatives that you could use. The gym has good machines, or has weights, or has gear. Those are countable nouns that you could use instead. 6, homework. I have too many homeworks. Don't say that. I have too much homework. Remember, we use much with uncountable nouns, and we use many with countable nouns. Which words can you use instead of homework? Pause the video, think about it. You could say, I have an assignment, or I have many assignments, or I have some tasks, or I have 2 tasks. Number 6, traffic. We all hate heavy traffic. Don't say there were lots of traffics today. Say there was a lot of traffic today. By the way, you can use a lot with both countable and uncountable nouns, which makes it so versatile. And whenever you're not sure if the noun is countable or uncountable, should you use many or much, you can always replace those with a lot of apples, say a lot of information, a lot of advice. What about work? Don't say I have many works to do. Say I have a lot of work to do. You can say I have a project, I have tasks, I have some jobs to do. Number 9, staff refers to a mass of things. Don't say I have many stuffs in my bag, although you have a cell phone, your keys, your notebook, your laptop. You should say I have a lot of stuff in my bag, or you can say I have some stuff in my bag. You can replace staff with countable alternatives such as things, items, or objects. I have some things, some items, or some objects in my bag. Money. Don't say he gave me a few monies. By the way, a few is only used with countable nouns. Say he gave me some money, or he gave me a lot of money. Alternatively, you can say he gave me a bill, coins, or specify he gave me $60 or $500. Bills, coins, and dollars are countable. Weather. We had strange weathers this week. We had strange weather this week. You can use alternatives. We had a storm, a sunny day, a rain. Or you can say heavy rains. Last week we had a lot of heavy rains. Rains is a countable noun. Or we had the upcoming week will bring us a lot of sunny days. And finally, the last word on our today's lesson list is baggage. Don't say my baggages were lost. say my baggage was lost. I really hope it has never happened to you and is not going to happen to you. Baggage is an uncountable noun. Some alternatives that you could use, we have mentioned them before. Do you remember them, by the way? Such as bags, suitcases, or carry-ons. Those are some countable alternatives. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more educational content. Stay tuned. Bye bye.